Hi Scorpio, and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of December is going to be for you, and we are going to also see how energy of 2021 is going to be for you. For the month of December, it looks like a powerful month for you, and when it looks like a powerful month, it's a month where you are going to close a lot of old things, where you need to practice let go of the things that have not worked for you, or let go of the people who have not worked for you, and move towards abundance, move towards growth. You need to express your love and care, but at the same time you need to ensure that you're not becoming too emotional, or you're not thinking too much on the emotional side of the things. And there is meeting new people, there is expressing your love and care for people, there is expressing your love and care for animals. So there are a lot of opportunities. There's a renewal that is coming with this month, and then there is money and abundance that you are going to get through, that you're going to get across to you this month. So let's just start with your health. For your health, this month you just need to take care of yourself from the weather changes. So biggest kind of changing weather can impact your health. This is one thing that you need to take care of. Other than that, I kind of don't see much on your health as such. You need to take care of a little hormonal balance or little hormonal imbalance might just be there, but other than that, there is nothing that you should be worried about. If you have a heart issue, just take care of your diet and just take care of your heart health. Other than that, I don't see any issue on your cards with regards to your health. For your mental or emotional health, now one thing this month you need to kind of bring into balance is your mind and your heart. So just bring in a balance between your thoughts and what your heart says, because your monkey mind might just disturb you this month. And second, if there has been hurts from the past, there has been things that have happened in your past, there has been emotions that you've been carrying from your past, this is the month where you practice let go exercise, and when you let go of those negativities, let go of those emotions, let go of those negative emotions, and settle down your accounts with people, with your emotions, with situations, because this is the end, where this is the month where the year is ending, the energies are changing, and you have an opportunity to end the old cycles and begin new, more fruitful cycles for yourself. If we talk about your wealth, there is 9 of Pentacles, there's Knight of Pentacles, there is 8 of Pentacles, and then there is King of Pentacles. So there is no worry about money. The money will definitely flow into your life, so there is nothing to be worried about money. The only 2 things that I will tell you is, one, just don't invest into something completely new. So just don't go out of box this month. This is one thing that you need to be careful of. And second, when you are dealing with your money, ensure that if you have any things that are not closed from your past, it can be your accounts, it can be money that you've taken from others, it can be money that you've given to others, settle down those accounts this month as much as possible, because it looks like settling down those accounts this month is going to be very necessary, because if you've given money to some people, they might have money to give it back to you, and you might just get good amount of money by end of the year, end of this month. And also with the cycle of money, there will be slow but steady growth. Just ensure that you don't let your mind play with you and make you do things or spend money where you are not meant to spend. So just be careful about that. Other than that, there is no problem with money that I see on your cards. If we talk about your love or relationships, express your emotions, express your love. You'll be with people, because there's 10 of Wands, but this 10 of Wands is about people, so you'll definitely be with other people. There is expressing your love and care to other people, that is there. There is expressing your emotions, and this person is expressing his emotions to actually an animal. So expressing your emotions is definitely very important, because I kind of see burden of emotions on your heart. So expressing your emotions is very important this month, and also letting go is very important. So if there has been hurt from the past this month, let go of that. If there has been things from the past that have not worked for you, if there have been people in the past who wounded you in a certain way, learn from that. See what your learning was, practice let go exercise, and then move ahead from that. This is the month where you work on yourself. This is the month where you work on nurturing yourself. This is the month where you work on growth of yourself. If you want to propose somebody, you can go ahead do that. If you want to get married, you can go ahead do that. So overall, the month is positive, undoubtedly. Just the only thing you need to do is that you need to settle down your emotions. So if you want to propose somebody new, ensure that the emotions from your past are settled. Ensure that you're not getting into a new relationship without settling down your old relationship, or ensure that you're not getting into a new relationship because you need a shoulder to cry on. So just that much you need to take care of, because this is the month which says that you have to settle down your accounts, settle down your mind, settle down your thoughts, settle down your emotions, let go of the past, and then move towards future. If you're planning for a baby, you can definitely go ahead, because there is High Priestess, there is 9 of Pentacles, there is 10 of Wands. I don't see any problem with pregnancy as such. The only thing is, if you've had a cycle where emotionally you've been feeling distressed, just work upon your emotions. That much is the care that you need to take care. Otherwise, with peace, like with the renewal card, I think there shouldn't be any problem with pregnancy. If we talk about your job or career, opportunities definitely will come your way, because there is money, there is King of Pentacles, there is Knight of Pentacles, there is 9 of Pentacles, there is 8 of Pentacles. So something that you've been working upon from the past is going to give you results now. Also, there is a possibility, if you don't have a job might come your way. If you are already in a job and you are waiting for growth, you're waiting to have growth in your life, two things that you need to be careful of. One, be very careful, because you're being watched over. Be very careful in how you're approaching things. So don't be negative this month. Second, if there has been any misunderstanding with anybody in your organization, in your business, in your work life, ensure that you settle down that misunderstanding this month, because somewhere whatever growth you're going to get in the future, somebody is watching over or evaluating that this month, or evaluating your performance this month, or evaluating you this month. And that is why it is very important that you actually showcase a good behavior. Along with that, be very careful with any mails, anything that you are sending in writing. Be very careful with it. Read it twice before you send it, and read your mails or communications very carefully. This is another thing that you need to take care of. Other than that, there is nothing to be worried about, because money flow definitely is going to be there. So your job or career is going to be good. If we talk about your soul growth this month, letting go is very important. I kind of see with third eye opening up, and I kind of see you connecting with your intuition, but the cards are saying that you're not ready to connect with your intuition. And because why you're not ready? Because you've not let go of your past wounds. That is why practice let go exercise. Once you start practicing let go exercise, that will actually lead you towards connecting with your intuition, and thereby get more growth in your life, more balance into your life. If we talk about your chakra of the month is third eye chakra. The mantra of third eye chakra is Om. But ensure that when you do Om chanting, before that you ground yourself. So I'm going to share the grounding exercise also. Ground yourself before you do third eye. Grounding is very, very important. Otherwise, if your third eye opens, you're not grounded, everything will go haywire. So please practice grounding and then practice your third eye chakra. The third eye chakra will help you visualize things better. Third eye chakra will help you settle down things better and look towards a good future. If we talk about your mental exercise of the month, the card is integration. It is number 14. It's the Temperance card. Temperance card is all about balance. It's all about moving ahead step by step. It's all about balancing yourself, balancing your past and future, balancing your energies. And that's why you can affirm this month, I allow myself to let go of my past, let go of the past hurts. I allow myself to balance myself. I'm moving ahead towards a beautiful, abundant future in the most balanced way. And that's actually going to be good for you. So just do that affirmation this month. If we talk about what is your surrender message this month, the surrender message is surrender procrastinations. Now is the time to jump on a goal instead of putting it off. Taking action will attract success, and that is why you have to stop. If you have a behavior pattern where you keep thinking about what went wrong, why you couldn't do something, what is the reason why you cannot move forward, let go of that. The staircase is right here. Start climbing that. Start working on your goals. Start working on the things that you need to. Look at all those your old diaries and everything, and see what were the things that you wanted to do. What were your goals? Where are they missing? Where are you going in a different direction? Why are you doing that? And just work on your goals again. What will happen if you do that, and what is the angel message? The first card is Knight of Ariel, Knight of Pentacle. It says there is so much to accomplish. Make a very detailed plan, being watched over by someone kind. And that is why I am saying that this is the month where you make a plan. This is the month where you decide what you want to do, how you want to move ahead, what is your wish list, and then start working towards it. And the second card is Peace. It is basically a death card. It says release the past, there is more enriching future coming. Let go and let God. And it is very important for you. Letting go is very, very important for you this month. So please let go and let God take care of you, or let your soul take care of you. Number of the month for you is going to be number 5. Color of the month, blue or any shade of silver is going to be good for you. Also, if you like the videos, please share the videos with everyone that you can. Share the videos on your social media. It kind of will help reach more people, reach these videos to more people, and they will get help. And there are a lot of videos on positivity, good things on my channel, which can help a lot of people undergoing distress or undergoing difficult situations in their life, and the intent is to make help reach them. So please help in that intent. And how 2021, the energy of 2021 is going to be for you. Make your wish list. If you actually work on making your wish list, if you actually work on letting go, if you actually work on nurturing yourself and working on towards growth and moving forward, this wish list is going to be completed in 2021. 2021 is going to give you very happy, nurturing relationships. So better friendships, better relationships, taking your relationships to the next level, whatever level you are in, taking it to the next level, more love, more care, more affection. It is going to give you travel, it is going to give you opportunities, it is going to give you new learnings, it is going to give you new things in your life, and money. So definitely money is flowing into your life, abundance is flowing into your life, more opportunities, new plans, new things, everything is flowing into your life, and there could be a possibility of buying a property. But all of that is flowing into your life, and I see this card, Page of Sword, in almost all the 2021 readings, and probably because I'm hopeful that COVID will end and we'll start traveling again. That's why this card is there. But overall, this is going to be a very good year for you, provided you follow the guidance that is given to you this month and you actually close this month. So if you want to know more than that, you can contact me for your personalized tarot reading through the Facebook link that's provided in the description box, or through the comment section. You just have to write that I want my personalized reading, and I will share my number and will take it forward from there. Also, like I said, subscribe the channel, share the videos with as many as you can on your social media, and like the video. And there are other videos on my channel. If you like them, please share them, and send your feedback. Your feedback is important to me. And wish you a very, very happy 2021. Wish you a very happy new year. May this new year brings all the good things into your life. You close all the old things, all the old patterns, all the old accounts, and you move to this new year with a lot of abundance, a lot of happy relationships, and your wish fulfillment. And may this year fulfills all your good wishes. So thank you so much. I will see you with the next month's prediction, which is next year, January, and take care of yourself. Bye bye. Thank you.